Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I will be going over how to stay on top of your habits and conquer them. And then I will also be showing you my bullet journal setup for 2021. I've already been using it quite a bit, but I filmed it before I started using it, so it's beautiful for you to see, and I am excited to share that with you, so let's go. I did a really simple cover page because I am not artsy at all, and then on the left side I did grid spacing template because it's actually really helpful to know how many squares are in each page. It helps you plan out and design so that I don't have to count every single time. I got this idea off of Amanda Rachel Lee, who also got it off of someone else on Instagram, and it's actually been so incredibly helpful. I've always loved seeing the year calendar on one page, so I did that here. I did a couple doodles at the top because I thought it was kind of cute, and I really love how this turned out. All of the red circles or pink circles are holidays. I wanted to see if this future log style would work for me, so I tried it out. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to be using it, but I mean, it kind of looks good, so there it is. This is my last page for 2021 setup. It's my YouTube ideas. I've been using this the most to just brain dump all of the ideas that I have and plan it out. It's been super exciting, and thank you to Ana Luisa so much for sponsoring this video. Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry company that sources all their materials sustainably, so all their metals are sustainably mined and acquired. Their entire company is completely carbon offset, which is incredible. Basically means that whatever kind of carbon footprint that their company produces, they counteract it by taking other sustainable measures. Super cool. They have super affordable pieces starting at $30. Look at this. These rings are amazing. I style it either all together or individually. I love wearing this one like in any occasion. I think it's super cute, and it really puts together an outfit. I have been working with them for quite a bit now, and I love all of their pieces. Their jewelry pieces are so cute and affordable. You can gift it, you can wear it yourself. It's just so great. They don't have a sale right now, but you can use my link down below for 10% off, and it's just gonna save you some monies. If you have any questions about their products, let me know in the comments below and I would be happy to answer them. Let's look at the website together. I love Ana Luisa because of the sustainable aspect of their jewelry. It's so important that companies are choosing to be more sustainable because of the world's state. Look how cute these pieces are. It's incredible and inspiring that a company can do this and still be paying all their employees properly. I personally picked my rings because I really wanted to get into wearing rings, and they really made that happen for me, and that's super important, and I have been loving every single piece. While I'm scrolling, I hope you can find one or two pieces that you love and can see yourself wearing, because these are affordable and beautiful, and I think you would look so good, so check them out. Yeah. Yeah.
You tell me.
I did too much. No, it's not basically not control.
It's okay.
Okay, get some wine and water.
That's good.
So my first tip on staying consistent with your habits is to reward yourself. I'm rewarding myself for the workout I'm gonna do later. Our brains are like super hungry for affection and love. Being able to provide that for yourself by rewarding yourself by, I don't know, making yourself a smoothie bowl, or buying yourself a coffee or a bubble tea, or even just playing your favorite song will trick your brain into wanting more of that action. So it'll help you do more. It's actually really good.
Acai bowls make me super happy.
I wish I had like more fruits to make it pretty, but I don't, so this is perfect. My next tip is to make a commitment with someone else. I usually do this by texting my friends. I'll text her right now. Finding an accountability buddy is super easy. All you have to do is reach out to somebody and ask them to check in with you to see if you're meeting your goals and staying on top of your habits. I found that keeping an accountability buddy for working out has been the most helpful in staying on top of my workouts and my yoga. I have a friend that checks in with me weekly and it's been going really well. It actually has been keeping me on top of it. Just to know that someone will check in with me, that I've done it or not, has been an incredible boost for sure. Just because you don't want to let yourself down and I don't want to let them down as well. If you need an accountability buddy, let me know and I can do that for you. My third tip, progressive overload. So progressive overload is this idea that you keep adding and adding something so that it slowly gets stronger. For working out, at least, that's the idea. If you lift weights, you would kind of understand the concept behind getting stronger, getting bigger muscles. You have to constantly push yourself to do harder things. For habits, it's the same idea. You want to start small, start with something that's very attainable, and then push yourself so that you don't burn out, but you're also just pushing yourself to do a little bit more every day. So for example, if for me, in the beginning, I was talking about in my video that I was really struggling to like get out of bed, shower, and like keep up my hygiene and like brush my teeth. I would always open my blinds, and to do progressive overload, I started by opening my blinds, and then eventually I started opening my blinds and then brushing my teeth. And then eventually I started opening the blinds, brushing my teeth, and washing my face, and snowball affected and became one big thing. And now sometimes I shower. Just gonna put the rest of these clothes back. The next tip I have for you is never miss twice. So I have a habit tracker. I'm currently using the self-care planner that I got in my cause box, and it has a habit tracker to make sure that each week that I'm completing my habits or seeing how consistent I am, and I make sure that I never miss working out twice or any habit that I have. So like I make sure that I never miss brushing my teeth twice. For example, if you work out on Monday and you don't work out Tuesday, make sure you work out Wednesday so that you don't miss Tuesday and Wednesday, because by Thursday you're gonna feel like, oh, lethargic and like I missed yesterday so I can miss one more day, and you just keep putting it off and then it just never happens. And the last tip is the do something principle, where you start doing something, you want to keep doing something. So I just put some of my clothes away, and now I feel like I have to do the rest of my laundry. So it just like snowballs. Hopefully these tips and tricks were helpful for you. If any of them were at all, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out the Luisa Jewelry that I've linked down below. It'd be really cool for you to check them out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!